Think precious metals are out of reach? Silver's lower spot price makes it accessible even for smaller portfolios. Many new investors assume that adding precious metals to their retirement savings requires a large upfront investment. But silver is different. With a lower spot price than gold, it allows you to purchase more coins for the same amount of money. The Why Precious Metals Guide shows that this affordability makes silver a practical starting point for diversifying your portfolio with tangible assets. Even smaller investments can give you a foothold in precious metals, giving you both a potential hedge against economic uncertainty and an opportunity to gain familiarity with these assets. I'll link this guide in the description. It's just one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like the Silver Scheme Report and Company Integrity Checklist, all designed to give you clear, practical insights for getting started in gold and silver investing. You can download it for free and see exactly why silver's lower entry point can make it a smart addition to your retirement plan. You can find the link in the description.